Alright, the last official week of November is here. It's the Thanksgiving week as well. November 20th, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, 12:58, coming to you from Ladysmith along the Canadian National Superior Submain with a video lineup for you. And I'm nearby the north end of Ladysmith Yard, and two more of the new C6M rebuilds have been set up from yesterday's L56381 of the 19th. And the two that have showed up is the new 3347 and the new 3334 that were set out at Point Yard when they were in tow on the U72371 of the 14th, I think. Man, I have to say, I really love that new look there, especially for those rebuilds, I have to say. From Woodtick GE down in Fort Worth, Texas. Just amazing. We have track work going on here at mile 353.88 as North Ladysmith Yard switch is being worked on as MLW personnel are there at this moment before they get ready to release authority for any mainline traffic to resume. There is additional power that is here at Ladysmith Yard, but it's on the southern end. We have BCOL Dash 94651 back at it. I haven't seen that one in a little while, but glad to see it actually around. Also with it is ES44DC of CN 2330 also here. So I got a feeling that those two, maybe these new C6M rebuilds, are going to be put on the S773 maybe this evening or as the rest of the week progresses. Soon as the work at the switch near the north end of Ladysmith Yard is all set, we'll have a northbound on the way with a C6M rebuild to lead it, and I think there was a tier 4 that is DPU on there, and also making the return yet again is that firefighting training tank car as well, right after the DPU. It last left Point Yard since 10:40 this morning. As right now the early afternoon has just begun. But as of for now, it's currently stop indication around this area in the meantime. And the L5 1981 of the 20th is still on the Barron Submain yet. And I have a feeling that the 2330 and the BCOL 4651 was actually on the S772, as I heard it show up around the 0500 hour this morning. That would be the S772-51 of the 14th, started from Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. And now they're resting away, and they'll more than likely be picked up by the L564 unless they will be assigned to be on the S773 with those new C6M rebuilds you see here. So otherwise, that'll do it for this video here at Ladysmith. Have a look at the new C6M rebuilds that have recently showed up from yesterday evening. And what else was going on here at Ladysmith Yard. So I thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. I hope I'll see you along the main line. Please be safe out there. Tyler Hayes out.